so I'm going to roll through, pun intended, a quick foam rolling session with you. So starting at the bottom, we're gonna work on those calves. So I always roll from the bottom to the top, right? So you're just gonna cross one leg over the other. Now chances are if you have a foam roller, you know what you're doing already, but I just wanna make sure that we're covering all of the areas, okay? So just side to side, working from the bottom, so really the ankles, side to side, just because I want you to release everything from the ankles up. So once you've done that, little side to side a couple times, then we can go a little bit higher onto the calves. And I always do side to side on the calves as well, just getting into those deep, creaky spots. Now today I'm just gonna go through this really quickly just because I don't think it's probably as exciting to watch me foam roll, right? Like if I sent you a half-hour foam rolling video, you'd be like, I don't know about that. So I'm just gonna go real quick through it, and of course if you get to any part of your body, you're like, I wanna stay here for longer, then do that, you know? So side to side, so once I do that, then I go a little bit higher and I also go side to side. And then once we kind of go side to side in each little area, then we'll do the full up and down roll. Yay, okay, so we've done all that spot, now we're gonna go up and down. I cross one leg over here too. Depending on how sore or tight things are, you might wanna not cross the leg over because obviously that makes it way more intense. So just up and down. Now there's a whole theory that you should only ever roll towards your heart, but with the foam roller, right, we're not gonna just sit here and be like, okay, that's not even the right word, right? Like that, doing that would be inefficient, right? So, because who has time just to roll all day? I wish I did, that would be so nice. I probably wouldn't have half of the muscle pain that I do. Okay, so now that's done, you're gonna go up, just behind the backs of those legs. So I love working on hamstring stuff, so you're gonna be doing a lot of hamstring stuff, especially because we're trying to fix up those legs and strengthen up the knees and stuff. So prepare yourself for the hamstring work that we will be doing. So rolling that out. Next you're gonna move up to the booty, the gluteus maximus, right? So you're gonna just roll to the side. So I'm just kind of leaning in. I kind of sit on the log and I lean into one side. To make this more fun, you're gonna cross a leg over and lean into that. And when you're done with that side, we're gonna cross the other leg over and then towards the other side. So you might find that one side is tighter than the other. So totally typical, so natural. So just be aware of that, let me know, we can work on things, because chances are one leg or something is working harder than the other. I'm guessing that with an injury, you might have one leg that's gonna work harder than the other to try and help your whole body get through the movement. So we'll be talking and all that stuff, so we can work on that. From here, you're going to lay down. So I always put this kind of bra strap height, and then I'm just gonna lay back. And breathe. Breathing here is so necessary and good. So once I kind of do that a couple times, then I get into the lats. So just rolling over onto that. Getting into that little fun area right in here, right? Sometimes this feels the worst. Today it feels the worst. Especially after TRX. I think TRX really finds a way to target that area, especially when we're doing lots of rows and stuff. So over to the other side. Okay. Now from here, we're gonna do a couple more things. So I'm gonna bring this in front of you, and you're gonna lay down on here. Just getting into those quads. So sometimes this hurts a lot. In fact, most times it hurts a lot, so that's fun. To get a little bit deeper, you're going to get into this IT band, so you're turning on the side. I don't want you to stay here too long, because if those IT bands are really, really angry, this hurts a lot, and I don't want to cause any more inflammation if they're already kind of angry. So I say maybe like 5 to 6 full rolls of those IT bands. Just because, yeah, it doesn't feel good at all. At all. Now from here, you're gonna take this and you're gonna move this to the center. So this is always really awkward, but you're gonna kind of go parallel with that other leg, and then you're just gonna roll side to side. Just getting into that inner thigh. Oh, hopefully feeling that all release and relax. Going from the knee and all the way in. Now chances are, if you have a foam roller, you know how to do all this stuff, but just covering our bases, right? I want to make sure that since I'm not there to watch what we're getting, we're making sure that we kind of get all the mobility in with the strength, right? Because the mobility is almost more important. That's the first thing that everyone kind of ditches. They're like, you know what, I do my workout, I don't need to stretch, I don't need to roll. That's actually the most important thing for all of us. I'm really bad at it too, so this is kind of helping me, right? Okay, the last thing you're gonna do, you're gonna sit on the end of this and lay down. So you might need to adjust the hair here, so make sure that the back of your neck is on your foam roller, your spine's there. Arms come up, and you're just gonna circle back and let those arms fall to the side, up and around. So you're making little snow angels here. Your arms can go up here. And then once those arms are up, you can kind of go. You're kind of pressing to the ceiling, feeling that. It's kind of a free-for-all here, whatever feels good. Sometimes just letting your arms fall to the side feels really good. And you're also supporting that lower back. So stay here as long as you want. Keep rolling as long as you want. I just want to make sure that we're targeting all those areas since I'm not there. So that's your foam rolling video, and yeah, I'll be talking to you soon. Okay, bye.